A couple years ago, we replaced the majority of our interior doors in the home. Here in the bathroom, we were looking to utilize the space on the back side of the door. So we purchased 3 hooks from Hobby Lobby and decided to install them on the back side to create some additional space to hang clothes. The hooks were easy to install once we figured out the spacing. I set the first hook in place and then marked the 2 holes for the mounting screws. Once marked, I then pre-drilled the holes, being careful not to go too deep and come through the other side. Once pre-drilled, I set the hook in place and then fastened the screws, which I purchased at a local hardware store, as the hooks from Hobby Lobby did not come with any. Once fastened, I then marked out the spacing for the other 2 and installed them as well. Overall, it turned out great and will add additional usefulness to the back of the door.